All right, part two. We got it on. And she's free moving. We got it impacted down real good. Good penetration, right? Good percentage of teeth in that bad boy now. If nothing else, I'm pretty confident now that it's going to get us to the end of the year. Whether it makes it past that point, I have no idea. But once we get a welder out here, somebody suggested to me, I was telling about it, my brother Kenny, why didn't you just weld a couple washers on there well, listen, man, I wasn't going to haul this thing all the way back to my house to do a little bit of welding. So we got what we got. Let me finish putting it together and make sure that I'm going to make sure it starts and that the blades engage and all that kind of, and a gearbox works. Then if that's the case, then we'll stop. We'll lean it up on its side, sharpen the blades real quick, and go from there. So far, so good. Praise the Lord. Hang in there, y'all. It'll get better. That's the proof.